Snowjoe 24-inch polyblade snow pusher plus ice chopper 2-in-1 tool SJ-EDG 24M. It has a 2-year warranty. It has a 24-inch polyurethane snow pusher, 5-inch steel ice chopper, steel tube length 40-inch, foam grip length 7 inches, aluminum wear strip, ergonomic D-shaped handle. Weight is 4.1 pounds. This is the first time I've had a snow shovel with a serial number. It need to be assembled, but just grab a knife, cut the zip ties, remove the tape with the zip ties from the handle, remove the cover from the ice scraper, put the handle onto the blade, just remove this little plastic strip, and it will just pop into place. Just like that, line it up. There. This took me less than 2 minutes to put the handle onto the blade. Please press the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment down below. I always like reading people's comments.